How to replace AirTag battery. Here are the steps to replace the battery in an AirTag. 1. Get a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Make sure it is the correct size and voltage. 2. Find a flat edge like a table. Put a soft cloth down to avoid scratching the AirTag. Place the AirTag face down. 3. Twist the back metal cover counterclockwise to unscrew it. It should come off easily, revealing the battery inside. 4. Remove the old battery by gently prying it out. Be careful not to damage the small components around it. 5. Check for any corrosion or debris inside the AirTag housing. Clean if needed with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. 6. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up towards you. It should click into place. 7. Put the metal cover back on top of the AirTag. Twist it clockwise to tighten back down securely. 8. Test the AirTag by bringing your phone near it. The AirTag should trigger a notification that it is set up and working. 9. Check the battery level in the Find My app. It should display 100% for a brand new battery. The whole process only takes a few minutes. Just be gentle when prying out the old battery and putting in the new one. Take care not to bend or damage the small contacts inside the AirTag's housing.